Sawyer, how old are you today?
How old are you today, sir? 5.
Are you sure?
Sure.
What's that? Hold it up.
To me.
Whoa. You like that? Oh my gosh. Is this like a race for presents or what? He doesn't seem to be overjoyed with anything yet.
I know. I like all of them.
Okay, good.
I wonder what this one is.
Oh, that's something special that me and Grant and Mommy put together yesterday for you. You're gonna love it.
What is it, Mr. B? You got a new phone? Sweet.
Ninja Turtles. We put all of them together and everything. Look at Steve, Leonard, I forget his name.
We gotta figure out who's what, which one's which.
You like those?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
What's that? I don't know.
Well, they have more